Yo, what's up? Welcome to another episode of How To. This time I'm going to teach you how to fix your lion mouth. There's no beard, so this is the beard, and how do you attach it? I'm pretty sure a lot of people know how to attach it already, but if you don't, keep watching this video and I'm going to show you how to attach it. So some basic tools you need is, of course, you need a broken mouth and you need a beard. Okay? And you need some wires. I got this wire from Hobby Lobby. I forgot the exact gauge. I want to say 22, 24, something like that. The bigger it is, the stronger it is, but the bigger it is, the harder it's going to fit through the mouth and harder to bend. So you don't want to get it too big. So yeah, just something simple like this. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what I use and it works really well. You can use hot glue and then you can just glue it on here. It works, but that way it tends to fall off a lot easier because the weather, hot cold is gonna mess up the glue, so I don't recommend that way. You need pliers. I don't know why, but I just have it just in case. I'm just gonna say you need it just in case. Oh, you need the wire. I use these pliers because they got the wire cutter right here, so I needed to cut. And this tool is awesome. I have no idea what this tool is called, but this is how I make the hole through the mouth to to feed the wire. Before, back then, I would just kind of like poke a hole through the mouth and then fight my way with the wire and just try to feed it through the mouth. But Master Adrian, I don't know how to say his last name, Chua. A lot of people might know him as Lion Dance App or Traditional Arts. He's the one that introduced me to this tool. I went to his lion head repair workshop in Boston, hosted by the USDA back in January 2017, and he introduced this tool and it has saved my life, and now I put beards on so much faster than before. And this tool is awesome. I have no idea what it's called, but I got it at Home Depot. It came with three other tools. No idea what it's used for, but it is very, very good. Hopefully you guys can see it. So first of all, you want to get your beard, spread it out. Just spread your beard out. Okay. Then you want to get your mouth. Okay. Oh, got stuff tangled here. Sorry. Get your tool. A lot of people might not like putting holes in the lines, but that's how you attach stuff. You got to put holes in it, man. It hurts, but so right here is a bamboo bar, some kind of bamboo, some type of wood, and then over it is a piece of paper, and under it is more paper. So you want this thing to go under the wood, so you can feed the wire under it, and then that's how you attach their beard. That makes sense? All right, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, so I'll go like this. Poke it through. It's a little bit harder trying to do it for the camera to see. So I put it through and then I just go like this. I go like this. You see, now I have like an opening on both sides, and I just kind of play around with it to make it bigger. And then I will go back on the other side and go around the other side. Oh, where'd the hole go? Lost the hole. Okay, so it's right there. I will go back around this side. And go around this side, just so the hole is bigger. Okay. Then you take some wire. You're gonna cut more than you need, okay? Just so it's easier to feed through. Another thing I like to do is just kind of bend the wire a little bit so that you can feed it in. You feed it in. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to get it through, but Yeah, this time's not working. I need the table, so I'm gonna stop the video so I can put it down. Alright, let's continue. Feed it through one hole, and then hopefully it goes through the other hole. Yeah, it's kind of hard because, you know, doing it on the camera, can never do it good on the camera. Can never do it good when people are watching. And it's gonna be embarrassing if I can't fix it. No, I felt it. No, god damn it. Sometimes just do it again, make the hole bigger. Oh my god, I had it. Yeah, it's kind of frustrating sometimes. Alright, let's try making it straight. Nope. Alright, I got it through. So you see, you get it through, takes a while, but eventually you get it. Now you just line up your beard. Very simple. Find the middle of it. Find the middle of it, because that's where I started off. I started off in the middle. Put it down here, and then just tie it. Twist it a couple times, and then you cut it. After you cut it, just take this and kind of bend it down so you don't stab anybody. So there you go. See. But yeah, you know, you attach the one part. You attach the one part. Okay, now you just gotta repeat it and do the same for the other one. So I'm just gonna do a hyperlapse for the rest of this video until I got it complete. Alright, so I finally attached the beard. Took about 10 minutes, I think, maybe 12, I don't know, 10 to 12 minutes. So I attached it. It's working. So I do like to use hot glue, I forgot. But after I attach it with the wire, then I will put hot glue. Because of stuff like this. You know how there's a gap right here, so I would just put hot glue right here just to fill in the gap. And I didn't measure the beard properly. I just kind of thought that was the middle. So I didn't attach it to the middle. So one side is longer than the other side. So I'm just gonna take my scissor over here and I'm just gonna cut it. So see, this side it ends over here on this piece, and this side it goes under. So I'm just gonna cut it right there. That's it. Cut it, and that's it. Whee! But yeah, that's it. This is how you attach your beard. I'm just gonna touch it up a bit. Like I say, I'm gonna put some hot glue on the rest of the beard so I can just fully touch the mouth. But other than that, basically done, man. You don't have to put the hot glue. I just like to do it. I look at it as extra reinforcement, you know. So, let me know what other stuff you like to fix on the line, man. I can't make a whole line, but I do know how to fix lines. I've been fixing lines for the past 10 years on my team. So you need help with fixing anything, let me know, and I can give some suggestion. A lot of time the way I fix it, it might not be the 100% proper way, but it works for me because I know how to correct material sometimes, and sometimes I just need to fix it. Like I gotta fix it real fast. I don't got time to, to do it proper. So a lot of people call it get a wig. That's where I'm from. We call it get a wig. I get a wig my lines a lot just to make it work. So, I actually recorded this video on October 5th. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading. I don't know if you noticed, but I'll record first. Then it takes a long time for me to edit. Then I upload it. So, if you want to follow me and see what I'm doing in real time, follow me on my Instagram, wahwahoo18_adventures. Same thing as my YouTube channel, wahwahoo18adventures. So follow me and see what I do. Okay? If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Show me some love. I appreciate it. See you next time, homie. Peace out. Oh, so there's some other things I want to say about how I put the beard on. So I know in the beginning I just put the one in the middle, and then I attached the beard, and then I don't know if you noticed, but I did like one side first. I did 1, 2, 3, and then I put the wire underneath. Then I put the beard on. Instead of putting one wire and then put the beard, twist it, and then put another piece, put another wire, put another beard, and then twist it. I just did that so I can have all the hose and wire laid out without the beard being in my way. For me, it's just easier to work like that. Does that make sense? I hope I explained it clearly. So basically, if I was to make a video, I would have made all the hose first, and I would have put all the wires down first. Then I would attach the beard from left to right. That way the beard is not getting in your way when you're trying to make holes and everything, because like you see the beard is long and it can get in your way. So no, that's why I would just make all the holes first, and then put the wires, then attach the beard and twist. And I guess I didn't explain where you want to put the holes. Let me get a blank mouth. So the mouth, well, this one has fur, but usually you want to put one in the middle for sure, and then put one here, and then put one at the end. And then same thing, one here, one here, one here. So you should have a total of seven wire attachment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can put more if you want. You can put less if you want. The more you have, the more secure it is. The less you have, the faster it's gonna be done. That's about it. But if you got any other questions regarding this, man, just leave me a comment below, man. Just leave a comment. Don't be scared. Hit me up. Message me on Facebook. Message me on Instagram. I'd be glad to help you out, man. Peace out.